Hello, kids. Welcome to Fun Sprout Kids. Today, we're going to play alphabet picture matching fun. We're going to match letters with the correct pictures. Are you ready?
Let's start with example of letter. A match with picture of apple. A for apple. T for tiger. F for fish.
Whee!
O for orange. B for ball. S for sheep.
Whee!
D for dog. K for kite.
Woohoo!
Y for yak.
Yoo-hoo!
W for watch. P for parrot. C for cat. I for ice cream. A for E for elephant. Z for zebra.
Whee!
R for rabbit.
Whee!
G for goat.
Woohoo!
Q for queen.
Yoo-hoo!
V for van. N for nest.
Whee!
J for jug. U for umbrella.
Whee!
H for horse. M for monkey.
Woohoo!
L for lion. Great job matching the letters. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Sprout Kids for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.